Technology issue. Online classes versus in-class education. Technology is becoming more relevant in today's world, along with online classes rather than in-class education. Both forms of education have their own benefits and disadvantages. The differences. There are many pros and cons to both ways of learning. Here are some of the differences. Online learning, there's the use of internet, comfort level, flexibility, audio and video. It saves time, effort, and money. Classroom learning, there's a traditional method, requires lots of effort, strict rules and guidelines, need to be physically present, and requires more time and money. Here's a graph to show the percentage of on-campus learning, which is continuing to decrease as the years pass. Between the years 2014 and 2016. The pros of online learning is efficient group work, there's less peer pressure, the shorter courses, which means faster completion, and the ability to attend more colleges and universities. Classroom learning, there's face-to-face interaction with the instructor and fellow students. There's no lag time between waiting for an email response or feedback, and the equipment resources are provided, such as the internet, computers, and library. The cons of online learning: the lack of relationships, interruptions in the home, higher course tuition, equipment resource costs such as your internet, computer, and your computer maintenance. In-class learning cons would be transportation expenses such as fuel and vehicle maintenance, fellow classmates causing interruptions, and parking and parking pass costs. Course availability and credibility. Several courses are now offered online, but not all majors are offered. Several online majors are now accredited. So in conclusion, in-class learning still seems like it should be the way to go when you include the cost of the courses and the quality of the instruction you're getting.